Shafts off. Maybe put the GoPro like
on the back of the hinge.
Yeah.
Suction it to the welder. Here, just bring it over real quick. Let me figure out where I'm gonna plop the GoPro down. Maybe here. This is a horrible view. I'm sorry, everybody, but AJ needs a hand. I'm literally using a can of brake cleaner to support the weight of the GoPro.
Is it like kinda okay?
I mean, my side can reach the fender, but I can't push it up. Like, I don't want to, oh, I mean, there it is, but something up here is preventing me from pushing it further
In?
I need to go toward there, toward the back and up.
Dude, this side's pretty fucking mint.
Shit, my bad, my bad.
It's okay, I don't care about the bottom of it.
I mean, this is probably as good as my side's gonna get without you finessing it.
How would you go about holding this together? Just zip ties? Like,
for the sides here, I'd ask Ryan Bell if he could riv nut a couple, like.
yeah, but it's so thin.
Just riv nut here, like have one fastener there to this metal. Like you only have such a limited amount of good metal down there.
Yeah.
So I'd run one riv nut on this actual metal, and then whatever you do in the middle here, you need to do like really good. Because the sides are not gonna, like.
I feel like if I just do that, just straight across.
Definitely.
Because this is like long, dude. Like if I have this long part against the car, like that's gonna come out pretty far.
Yeah, it is. That's like more than half of that, it will be supported pretty good.
Yeah.
Send it. Dude, this thing's about to be trap ice god in like an hour, dude. Holy. Talk about a transformation, dude. AJ literally started from the bottom with this build. Like when you brought this to this shop, there was no engine, nothing.
I redid
dude. Like,
the whole
barely an interior.
I redid everything.
Now this thing's fucking
Dude,
the A-class rig, dude.
I know these door cards don't look that good, but like I literally fucking did these. Like they're a little sun faded because this is like straight up fucking like blanket.
Chinese material.
It's like from Michael's. It's like blanket material. So
I thought that was stock, if I'm being honest with you.
it came out really fucking good.
I could not, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know you actually did those.
Yeah, dude.
I thought that
Let's
literally
button it
came
for
like
the
that.
fucking diamond stitch, dude.
You should do that with the seats too.
No.
Too much effort.
I don't even. These seats are so fucked that they're not worth trying to reupholster.
I think, what, is an upholstery guy like $300-400?
Yeah, but like, dude, you know what I mean?
Oh, true. The actual seat
Yeah,
itself.
like the seat,
is,
the
frame
gears
is
in it or
clapped.
whatever. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fucked. All right, well,
Have fun
pretty
grinding
much
and welding.
just gotta fucking. I don't even gotta grind. What do I gotta grind for?
Clean some of that paint off. You tell me you're gonna weld that right to your red paint right here.
I was.
Dude, there's a grinder right there, dude. Just
It's plugged in.
unplug it,
No,
put a
it's-
flap disc on it.
What do you mean, dude? It's fine.
You're gonna grind with the cutting head.
Maybe.
You're not even gonna grind at all, dude. Send it then.
Well,
I'm
it's
just trying
flux.
to. I just want your product to come out better at the end.
It's flux.
I don't know, dude. If you did it on the back like that, fuck it.
Well, the back was all brand new, like I
Clean
just made
metal.
it out of rust.
I'd clean wherever you're about to weld on
God
that.
damn it.
It's just a bad idea.
Okay.
Negligence.
This shit's gonna have to be trimmed.
How much? Oh.
See that?
That's probably why they didn't put that back in there.
Do you think I should just fucking cut it right here and just...
I mean, if you really want to, I personally wouldn't want to run that because that's just one more thing to like get in the way of your feet getting in and out.
I'd have to clean all this stuff
Yeah,
up.
I say clean that. Zip tie it up to the column and...
Like, I still don't know what this is for.
Dude, who knows? Fake kill switch.
Yeah, what if it is? What's this? Some more fucking cut wires?
something like that, and then I'll wire it to this. Can you grab the tape measure? I think it's on top of the box. Actually, sweet. Fuck. Where are the keys?
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Fucking sun is like fucking dicking me.
Yeah, it's like too much brightness. Look at this fine line. Here's AJ. Ganj welding stuff directly to the car. Wait, let me try to block it from my eyesight.
Going across there, kind of like that, to hold the bumper up. Should be fucking crispy.
Definitely.
Could I make one of that for the other side? Then we should be good.
See what Jazzy's up to? You getting the taillights situated?
Trying to.
It's Jazzy's mission today.
So now that I got all the wiring and everything tightened up, I checked the fuses and there's power there. So if there's not power there, something's wrong between the fuse block and right here. Which it'd be easy just to string another wire back there. All right, you want to keep your eyeballs on this one? All right, I'm gonna start with the brakes.
Yep. We got a missing bulb though.
Oh shit.
I mean, like one of them's blown.
Oh, it just blew?
Well, hit the brake again. Look, you got two lit up over here, and you only got one lit up over here.
Yeah. All right.
So you're missing a driver's side brake light bulb, but try blinkers and stuff. Nothing at all.
Is the key on?
At least the brake lights work though. That's like
Blinker?
huge.
That's both of them.
Try turn the headlights on.
Is there a fucking...
Yep, you got headlights on works.
Is there emergency light on this thing?
Wait,
Like the hazards?
I don't know.
Jazzy, turn the headlights on and hit the brake pedal. Let off brake. Look at this, AJ. This bulb right here. Watch this one. Hit brake. Nothing. This this bulb's half burnt. This is your bad one right here.
Reverse?
Nah.
Does it have to run for it to be in reverse?
No. The key has to be on though.
Yeah.
If you don't have a hazard button, your blinkers might not work.
Oh.
Is there blinkers on the front of this thing? Yeah, if you don't have a hazard button, I think your blinkers won't work, because that's how most older cars are. But I need you to Sharpie me, my boy. It's right there. Thanks.
Yep.
cleaning on my bumpers, hopefully. Now, fill this bottle of water up. I can cool them off, put the bumper up, see how high it's gotta be. Might be that fucking bucket that bucket has like the wax from the old toilet in it.
Oh, gross. There's a hookah in there then.
I'm not trying to melt the bumper, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You want to grab that side? Alright, so it's pretty fucking low. I might just fucking weld the whole... Just weld the whole thing like on it, you know what I mean? So it's like, where the fuck is it? Oh, right here. Like weld it like this.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
So I'll fucking cut it.
You gotta make a V shape.
I can even bend it like this. Hold on, let's cut it so it's the size of the bumper first. Where's the tape measure? $53, 26 and a half. Alright guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Also go check out our merch. We got the Ganj, we got the Scran. Everything's in the description, so check that out, boys. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.